Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to show us how to post how to post news in this news module. But first of all, here is the news flash page where all staff of the church will first see. This is the page that all staff will see once they log into the application. Right? Now, this shows the current news. If you scroll down, it shows the current news. Now, to read more, you click on read more, or you click on this button here, right? It opens the news and read more. They go back. Now, to post a new news, you right click on post news, or you come here, you click on post news. Then, as the owner or as the manager of the news module, all the news that you've posted are shown here. Now to edit a news, we'll click here, but we've not worked on this yet. We'll work on it later. Then to read more too, you click here, right? So you're able to see all your news, but other staff members will not see this page. They will only see the news flash page. Now let's try to add a new news, right? This is the very last news we added. So let's add a new one. I'll paste my content, and then I'll say okay, 30. I'll put 35 here. We call it 36. Then I will choose my news thumbnail. I choose my news thumbnail. I can call it whatever I want to call it. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, then the news category. Right now, if for any reason the category you want to post your news, or the category you want your news to come under is not there, you can always add it. To add a new category, you come to settings, news categories, add the category name here and click add type. Okay, and that's it. You're good to go. So let's go back. So let's choose news here. Now we're done. So we post news. Okay, our news has been submitted. Okay, now let's view our news. See, this is the last news we just posted now. Now for other members of the church, like I said, they won't be seeing this page. So let's go to the page where they'll be seeing their own news. So go to news flash. Now this is the page they'll be seeing their own news. Right? Now, to read more, as I said earlier, you click on read more and it will open the entire content. Okay? So I hope this is easy and very simple to understand. If there are other features we need to add to the news, please kindly let us know. Thank you for watching. Remain blessed.